Good morning, y'all. Another episode of Harmon Outdoors. Ain't going out on the boat. Way too windy today. We're looking at about 17-mile-an-hour steady winds. But we're going to go see what we can't do sitting there on a nice little trestle. Hopefully get on some nice trout for y'all. Y'all be good, be blessed. See ya. Oh. Nice guy. Boats are fun, but you don't always need a boat now. $18 3/4, y'all. Got another one, y'all. Just not big enough to take on to mama. $12 3/4. Got a 17 on the board, y'all.